Now I am going to discuss retirement of old partners from the partnerships. Already I have discussed admission part, beginning of the year as well as end of the year. Now I am going to discuss retirement of old partners. Sometime it has given beginning of the year, sometime it has given end of the year. You have to know how to adjust. If it has given retirement, there are two adjustments should be done. First one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. That part already I have discussed, and admission part also. Second one, equity of the retired partner should be calculated. Therefore, you have to know how to calculate equity of the retired partner if it has given beginning of the retirements as well as if it has given end of the retirement. And think how to adjust goodwill also. And you have to apply section 42 of Partnership Act also. Now 1890 Partnership Act section 42 relevant for retirement parts. There are two adjustments should be done. Right, first one I am going to discuss beginning of the retirements. After that I will discuss end of the retirements. That first one, see the example. Example 1. Think about Kasun, Janith and Pereira were partners trading firm, sharing profit and loss 2:2:1. 3 partners available. This is the old ratio. Trial balance is given 31st March 20. Capital balance is given 3 partners. Current account balance also given. Profit already calculated. And drawings is given Janith and Pereira. And additional first one, it is given on 1st April 19. Think about end of the year 31st March 20. Our account period. This is financial accounts. And given 1st April 2019, Kusal retired from the partnerships. Think about 1st April 19 means beginning of the year. Retirement beginning of the year, important. Therefore, retired partner is not available during the account period. Kusal is not available. Beginning of the retirements. It is given on this date, goodwill of the partnership was estimated as 250,000. Think about value in 1,000. It is given rupee value, but here value is given 1,000. Therefore, value in 1,000, 30 here can be cut. 250,000. Goodwill of the partnership. You have to adjust. And all adjustment in this regard should be made through the partner's capital accounts. And given rupees 300,000 was paid in cash at the time of retirement. Think about if it has given admission, new partner bought cash to the business, but there is a retirement. Therefore, cash should be paid to the retired partner. Think about goodwill of the partnerships and paid amount at the time of retirement, beginning of the retirement. Therefore, Kusal is not available during the current period. When we are going to appropriate profit, we have to appropriate except Kusal is not available. And given new agreement, if it has given retirement beginning of the year, when we are going to appropriate profit among the partners, you have to apply new agreement. Janith and Pereira available during the current period. It has given agree to continue the partnership under the following terms. It has given agreement. Monthly salary is given rupees 600,000 and 800,000 are to be paid Janith and Pereira. Interest on capital on their capital account balance. And profit sharing ratio also given 3:2. This is the old ratio and this is the new ratio. Think about when we are going to appropriate profit, you have to apply new agreements. Creation Kusal is not available. First one, think about retirement parts. Second one, think about appropriation part. Appropriation part already I have discussed. Now I'm going to discuss how to calculate equity of the retired partner as well as how to adjust goodwill. You have to prepare partner's capital account, current account as well as profit appropriation accounts. Profit appropriation account only Janith and Pereira available. Statement of profit appropriation for the year 31st March 20. Think about salary, interest on capital, profit share, relevant for only 2 partners. Then capital accounts, 3 columns, as well as current account, 3 columns. First one, take the balances. It has available trial balance. And current account, capital account also balance available. It has given trial balance should be included as a brought forward. That part all we have discussed. And net profit also given, it should be include partners profit appropriation accounts. And drawings available, drawings should be recorded through the partners current accounts. Effect for equity decrease, therefore should be included this side. That part I will discuss later. Now think about how to adjust retirement part. First one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. It has given goodwill of the partnerships 250,000. Old ratio is given 2:1. New ratio is given 3:2. First one, calculate goodwill old ratio as well as new ratio. It has given goodwill total value equal to 250,000. This is old ratio, 3 partners available. Therefore, total profit share equal 5. 250,000 divided by 5 into 2 into 2 into 1. Therefore, this is old ratio. And this is the new ratio equal 3:2. Total value equal 5. Therefore, divide by 5 into 3 and 2. And think about first one, goodwill should be recorded. Total value equal 250,000. Goodwill account debit. Partners capital account credit. Therefore, 250,000. Partners capital account credit by using all ratio 100,000, 100,000 and 50,000. Then goodwill should be written off. Reason goodwill is intangible assets. Therefore, again goodwill account credit and partners capital account debit by using new ratio. As a goodwill, now it is not effect for Kusal, is retirements. New agreement available only Janit and Pereira. Right now, goodwill okay. If it has given retirement beginning of the year, after adjusting goodwill, equity of the retired partner can be calculated. Now, important thing. Think how to calculate equity. Think what Kusal is not available during the counter period. Retirement Kusal. Therefore, after adjusting goodwill, equity of the retired partner can be calculated. First one, equity should be calculated through the partner's capital accounts. How to calculate? First one, current account balance of Kusal, retired partner. Credit side total amount equal 5,000. Take that value, import this one, and take the debit side. And that value should be transferred to the partner's capital accounts. Therefore, here as a Kusal, capital account, difference value 5,000. Here there is no value. And current account debit, capital account credit. Here as a current account, name of other account 5,000. There is a double entry. Current account debit, capital account credit. Now close the capital account of retired partner. Think about equity of the retired partner should be calculated through the partner's capital account. First one, current account balance should be transferred to the capital account. Then close the capital accounts. Credit side total amount equal 300, 425,000. This is the value we have to pay the retired partner, 425,000. Then at the time of retirement, it has given, at the time of retirement, paid in cash, rupees 300,000. Rupees 300,000 was paid in cash at the time of retirement. Therefore, that value, think about cash paid, effect for cash decrease, cash account available as a Kusal, credit 300,000. Effect for cash decrease, therefore cash account credit, partners capital account debit. Capital account debit as a cash Kusal 300,000. Then balance part, think about balance part not paid. If it has not paid, balance part should be transferred to the loan accounts. Therefore, balance part equal 125,000. If equity of the retired partner was not paid at the time of retirement, it should be transferred to the loan accounts. Therefore, loan account also credit 125,000. Think first one, current account balance of retired partner should be transferred to the capital accounts. Then close the capital accounts. At the time of retirement, paid in cash 300,000. That value cash account credit, capital account debit. Balance part, if it is not paid, should be transferred to the loan accounts. Therefore, capital account debit, loan account credit. That is the way you have to calculate equity. Now, retirement beginning of the year. As a result of goodwill adjustment, capital account balance changed from the beginning. Therefore, when we are going to calculate appropriation part, when we are going to calculate interest on capital, you have to calculate based on their closing capital account balance. Reason, as a result of goodwill adjustment, capital account balance changed from the beginning. Therefore, now first one, capital account balance should be carried out. Therefore, credit side total amount equal here 450,000, and here credit side total amount equal 430,000. Then take the debit side 450,000 as well as 430,000. Then difference value, this one minus this one, here value equal 300,000. Closing balance should be calculated. Reason, retirement is given beginning of the year. As a result of goodwill adjustment, capital balance change from the beginning. Therefore, interest on capital should be calculated based on closing balance 300,000 and 330,000. Now think about agreements. It has given interest on their capital 10% on their capital account balance. On their capital account balance, retirement beginning of the year. As a result of goodwill adjustment, capital balance change from the beginning. Therefore, you have to calculate based on their closing capital account balance 10%. Therefore, 300,000 in 10% and 330,000 into 10%. Therefore, here interest on capital 300,000 and here 330,000. Therefore, here will equal 30,000. 1 0 can be cut. Here value equal 33,000. Then total appropriation part, total interest on capital equal 63,000. What profit earned by the business, available trial balance, distributed among the partners as interest on capital, and salary. Think about it has given agreement salary. Monthly salary is given monthly value, Janith and Pereira. Therefore, you have to calculate annual salary. 600 into 12, 800 into 12. It has given rupee value, but this one rupee value in 1000. Therefore, this is a salary. And all the appropriation part current account credit. Therefore, interest on capital now notified for Kusal, Janith 30,000, but Pereira 33,000. And salary also given. Salaries, monthly salary is given into 12, annual salary can be calculated. Then 7,200 as well as 9,600. Then balance part as a profit share. Balance part. Therefore, think about here total value 16,800 and 63,000 all distributed. Therefore, total distribution part equals 79,800, but 179,800. This one minus this one minus this one. Therefore, balance part as a profit share. Here value equal 100,000. Then profit share and ratio is given. New ratio now you have to apply. New ratio. Retired part is not available. Retirement beginning of the year. Only Janith and Pereira available. 3:2 ratio is given. Therefore, total profit share equal 5 and share of it equal 100,000. Divide by 5 into 3. Therefore, here value equal 60,000 as well as 40,000. Think about profit share. Balance part should be distributed among the partners as a profit share. Therefore, here 179,800. If it has correctly recorded, total distribution part should be equal to this value. Therefore, here value should be equal to 0. Profit appropriation. Think interest on capital should be calculated on their closing capital account balance. Reason retirement, it has given beginning of the year. As a result of goodwill adjustment, capital balance change from the beginning. Then profit share also should be recorded through the partner's current accounts as a profit share 60,000 as well as 40,000. Kusal profit share is not relevant for Kusal. Retirement beginning of the year. Now current account balance should be carried down. Take credit side total amounts 99,200. Credit side 99,200. As well as here credit side total amount equal 40,000, 73,000, 82,000 and 86,600. 86,600. Think about total value 6 then 7, 16, right? Then take that value debit side. That value should be recorded debit side. And drawings also given. Drawings available trial balance. Therefore, drawings should be recorded partners capital account, current account debit side. 29,000 and 42,000. Here 29,000 drawings and 42,000 drawings. Then this one minus this one. Then closing balance can be calculated. 99,200 minus 29,000. Therefore, here value equals 70,200. Closing balance. And here 86,600 minus 42,000. Therefore, here value equal 44,600. 44,600. Closing balance. Therefore, that value carried down from debit side to credit side. Think about retirement beginning of the year. How to calculate equity of the retired partner, as well as how to prepare appropriation accounts, and new agreement should be applied. Think beginning of the retirements. Kusal is not available. After adjusting goodwill, equity of the retired partner can be calculated, and equity paid in cash at the time of retirement. Think if it has given retirement beginning of the year, after adjusting goodwill, equity can be calculated. First one, current account balance should be transferred to the capital account. By closing capital account, equity can be calculated if it has paid, not paid. Then new agreement should be applied. And as a result of goodwill adjustment, capital balance change from the beginning. Think how to calculate interest on capital. Based on closing balance should be calculated. Then paid in cash. And goodwill account, there is no balance. Goodwill. Both side equal. Goodwill is an intangible assets. First one should be recorded. Second one written off. And loan is a liability. That value should be included under non-current liability in the statement of financial position. This is the way you have to adjust retirement beginning of the year. Now I'm going to discuss retirement end of the year. Think about retirement end of the year. Here is think about example 2. It has given Amara, Chamari and Nayana were partners, trading firms, they are in profit and loss. It has given normal. Now it has given agreement, monthly salary is given all three partners, Amara, Chamari and Nayana. Interest on capital is given 10%. And profits and loss share in ratio is given 5:3:2. Agreement is given. Trial balance available, normal information, capital account balance is given, current account balance is given, net profit is given for the year 31st March 20, and drawings also given. Now think about, I am going to discuss end of the retirements. On 31st March 20 now, Nayana retired from the business. End of the year. Now Nayana also available during the country period. Therefore, when we are going to appropriate profit among the partners, all three partners should be considered now. Nayana also available. Then balance part normal. Goodwill of the partnership is given. Value in 1,000 to 1,000. All adjustment in this regard should be made through the partners' capital accounts. And at the time of retirement, it was given 320,000 was paid in cash at the time of retirement. Balance part should be transferred to the loan accounts. New agreement is given. Profits and ratios given. Chamarian, retirement Nayana, Chamarian. So retirement it has given Nayana, Amaran, and Chamari. New profits and ratio 3:2. Therefore, think about now new agreement cannot be applied when we are going to appropriate profit. Now all agreements should be applied for appropriate profit. All three partners available. Retired partner also available. Therefore, they are statement of profit and profit appropriation accounts, partners capital and current accounts. Now from the beginning, appropriation part should be done. Reason retired partner also available. Monthly salary is given. Three partners. First one, take the balances, capital and current accounts. Balance available. Net profit is given. Net profit should be include profit appropriation accounts. And partners current account, capital account balance. Current account balance, it has given trial balance. Now think about interest on capital. It has given monthly salary is given into 12 can be calculated annual salary. And interest on capital should be calculated now based on their opening balance. Reason retirement end of the year, goodwill adjustment has been done end of the year. Therefore, capital balance change end of the year, not beginning of the year. Therefore, during the account period, as a capital available, opening balance based on this value, 10% should be calculated as interest on capital. Then 10% equal 45,000 and 38,000, 35,000, it total value within brackets. Salary also like that. Then this one minus this one, balance part as a profit share. And profit share and ratio is given. Think about, you have to apply old ratio 532. Share of profit equal now 200,000 divide by 10 into 5, 10 into divide by 10 into 3 and 2. Therefore, this is profit share. All the appropriation parts should be recorded partners current accounts. Think about Nayana retirements. Therefore, profit earned by the business should be distributed Nayana also. Reason retirement begin end of the year. Now wages goodwill. All ratio credit, new ratio debit. It has given goodwill of the partnerships. You have to adjust 200,000. Think about, this is old ratio 532 and new ratio is given. Therefore, first one goodwill should be separate. Old ratio, it has given 532. Old ratio now 532. 5:3:2. And total profit share equal 10. Therefore, divide by 10 into 5, 3, 2. Total goodwill equal 200,000, 100,000, 60,000, and 40,000. New ratio is given 3:2. It has available agreement. Think about new agreement. Only for two partners available, Amar and Chamari. Goodwill is not changed. Total value equal 200,000. Divide by 5 into 3. Here value equal 120 and 80. First one, goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit, and goodwill account credit, partners capital account debit. Normal way. Through the partners capital account, old ratio credit, new ratio debit. Now think how to calculate equity. After appropriating profit, retired partner also available. Retirement is given Nayana, end of the year. Therefore, now, end of the year, after appropriating profit, current account balance of Nayana should be transferred to the capital account. This is the current account balance. It should be transferred to the capital accounts. Therefore, first one take credit side total amounts. Here, credit side total amount equal 86,000. Credit side total amount equal 86,000, and take that value debit side. Think what, how to calculate equity now. Then difference value equal 11,000. That value should be transferred to the capital accounts. Therefore, here as a capital account Nayana, capital account Nayana. Then capital account credit Nayana 11,000 as a current account Nayana. First one, current account balance of retired partner should be transferred to the capital accounts. Now close the capital accounts. Capital account credit side increase. Take total amount of credit side. Therefore, 490. Sorry. Here total will be equal 401. 350 plus 40 plus 11 equal 401,000. Credit side total amounts. And that is equity. Take debit side. Therefore, this is the value we have to pay to the retired partner. At the time of retirement, it has given paid in cash 320,000. This is the value paid in cash at the time of retirement. Therefore, that value cash account credit, partners capital account debit. Capital account debit as a cash here 320,000. Here capital account debit and cash account credit. Cash account also available. Effect for cash decreased. Therefore, cash account credit 300,000. 320,000. Cash account credit, capital account debit. At the time of retirement, paid in cash. Then balance part should be transferred to the loan accounts. If balance part equal 81,000, that is not paid amounts, should be transferred to the loan account based on section 24. That value should be transferred to the loan account. If they ask loan account, you have to prepare. Then other partners balance should be carried out. Think about end of the return profit relevant for all three partners. First one, profit should be distributed. After that, current account balance of retired partner should be transferred to the capital accounts. Then close the capital account of retired partner. Can be calculated equity if it has paid in cash, cash account credit, capital account debit. If it has not paid, balance part should be transferred to the loan accounts. Then other partners' capital account balance should be carried down. Credit side total money equal 550,000 here, and here credit side total money equal 440,000. Take the debit side and difference value balance carried down. Closing balance should be calculated. Therefore, here difference value equal 430,000 and summary closing balance equal 360,000. That value should be brought forward credit side. Now think what balance is not available. Nayana retirements. Here balance equal 0. And then current account balance also should be carried down. Credit side total amount should be included. Normally credit side increase. Therefore credit side total amount equal 55,600 and 156,600. 156,600. Then take debit side 156,600. Then difference value here available 140,000. Therefore 16,600. Balance carry down. And here credit side total amount equal 107,200. 107,200. And take debit side. Difference value here 95. Therefore 12,200. That value should be brought forward credit side. Think what? Nayana current account balance also not available now. Reason Nayana retirements. Then goodwill both side equal to 1,000. Goodwill account balance is not available. Goodwill written off. Goodwill is intangible assets. Right. Think about retirements. Begin of the sometime it is given. End of the sometime it is given. There are two adjustments should be done. First one, equity of the retired partner should be calculated. Equity. And second one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Now think about theory part. First one, you have to know how to adjust goodwill. Second one, you have to know how to calculate equity of the retired partner. If it has given beginning of the retirement as well as end of the retirements. Then think about section 42 also you have to apply. Under section 42 available, there are two parts. If equity of the retired partner was not paid at the time of retirement, it should be transferred to the loan accounts. That part we have discussed. And based on that loan, 5% annual interest should be calculated. When you are going to prepare income statement, based on that loan, you have to calculate 5% interest also. Then think about how to adjust goodwill. Normal way. First one, goodwill should be recorded. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit by using old ratio. And goodwill is intangible asset, therefore should be written off. Partners capital account debit, goodwill account credit. Then those are the steps. First one, goodwill should be adjusted. After that, current account balance of retired partner should be transferred to the capital account. Think about steps. If it has given retirement beginning of the year, before appropriate for it, current account balance should be transferred. But if it has given retirement end of the year, after appropriate for it, current account balance should be transferred. Then it is given by using capital accounts. By closing capital account, equity of the retired partner can be calculated. First one, current account balance should be transferred to the capital account. After that, close the capital account balance. Equity of the retired partner can be calculated. If it has paid in cash account credit, capital account debit. If it has not paid, capital account debit, loan account credit. That is a theory. And this one also important. Think about if old partner was retired at the end of the year. Think about end of the retirements. In this situation, equity of the retired partner should be calculated after appropriation profit and profit appropriation. All agreements should be applied. Interest on capital should be calculated on their opening capital account balance. Opening. If it is given end of the year retirements. Think about end of the year. But if it has given begin of the retirements, begin of the retirement, goodwill adjustment should be done beginning of the year. As a result of goodwill adjustment, capital balance change. Equity of the retired partner should be calculated before appropriate profit. Keep it in mind. And for appropriation profit, new agreement should be applied, as well as interest on capital should be calculated based on their closing capital account balance. Closing balance. Think about retirement, important, beginning of the year, end of the year. Admission also I have discussed, beginning of the year, end of the year. And appropriate account I have discussed. And partner's current account we have discussed. Think about partnership, important lessons. Separate question available in the A-level paper also.